Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with the KyCPA. This is your weekly roundup for the week of October 2nd. Hard to believe that we're already in October, but yet here it is. And we have a lot of new things to share with you. So let's just dive right in for this week. Wanted to remind you about our Conversations with Kayla, a new program that we're having with our board chair, Kayla. That will happen on October 6th from 12:30 to 1:30. It is a hybrid program, meaning you can attend in person or virtually. If you attend in person, we will have lunch for you. This is a great opportunity for you to network, ask questions about what's going on in the industry, all of those kinds of things. Would love to have you out for that. This is something new that we're trying for this year, and we look forward to that. Speaking of networking, we have another networking event happening on October 11th. This one will be in Bowling Green. We've been doing these around the state at various places. This one on October 11th is in Bowling Green at Pub by Novo, 5 to 7 p.m. Central Time. It's a free event for our members. Make sure you get registered for that. And again, we've got all sorts of other ones. You don't have to go to just the one where you are. If you want to go to one of the other ones, you can do that as well. So take a look at our calendar for that. Another fun thing that we're doing is Singo Bingo. That will happen on October 24th. It's bingo with a song twist. So singing along is certainly encouraged, but not required. No skills needed for this. That will be held on October 24th at the Louisville office in the Gratzer Education Center. And this is one of those other really fun fundraising events that our Women's Initiative is doing for our educational foundation. So would love to see you guys there on October 24th. October 27th, we have our Fall Awards Banquet, which will be held at the Brown Hotel. Cocktails start at 6 p.m. We have a sit-down dinner in our banquet, and we will celebrate and welcome the recent CPA exam passers. That's always a fun thing to celebrate, and we'll be excited to see you guys at that. And then, of course, we have, for students, we've got a free virtual CPA exam workshop happening on October 19th. That is presented by us and the Becker Professional Education folks. So we're excited to have them there. There is an important deadline you need to be aware of. That is October 13th. I think that's Friday the 13th, actually. So October 13th is your last day to submit your initial applications to the Kentucky State Board of Accountancy for the BEC portion. So make sure you do that Friday, October 13th. And then conferences, we've got some conferences coming up. Forensic and Valuation Services Conference on October 23rd to 25th. That is a whopping 20 hours of CPE. So you definitely want to put that on your calendar, bang out a whole bunch of CPE while you're at it and get some great education. And then students, or the students in your life that you know, we do have the College to Accounting Professional University, our CAPU program, happening October 13th and 14th at the KyCPA offices. That is a fantastic program to learn all about the accounting profession. Hear from some accountants who have been in the field for a while, some newer accountants who just became into the field or just became a CPA and are now in the field, and all sorts of other information at that great event. Make sure you get your students to sign up for that. They will definitely be excited that they went. Thanks, everybody, and have a fantastic week.